No, you know the Maverick is not big on speculation, but this pronouncement by MVP head coach Stephen Francis that as Nike's top athletics coach, there is a possibility of him, Francis, coaching a top American female sprinter who is also sponsored by Nike. So by process of elimination, how many top American female sprinters out there? One, Sha'Carri Richardson, who is sponsored by Nike. But let us say, if it's Sha'Carri, how would it work? Would Sha'Carri move to Jamaica, or would Frano move to the States? Either way, it would be very interesting to see that combination at work. Frano the bully versus Sha'Carri the chatty. And this thing about why would Frano coach an American to beat the Jamaicans? Frano is not just a Jamaican coach. The man is an international coach. Whether we want to accept it or not, Sha'Carri Richardson is a talented young sprinter with tons of potential, and she never get burnout a chance. We assume she's still hungry for success. Anyhow, Frano, hold her a trouble. The only thing Frano would have to watch when she comes to Jamaica is on her weekend, on her days off. You have to keep a close eye on her, Frano. Yes. You have to watch her, Frano. Yes. No Mexico, Westmoreland, and Central and them places, Frano. Yes, you have to watch her, Frano. You have to watch her.